Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make my thick and glossy slimes.
I think it's a plain.
No, it's like somewhere down the street. All my recipes are different, but these are my favorite two go-to thick and glossy recipes. Let's go. So what I use for my thick and glossy recipes, I do 2 glue balls and 1 clear glue. So I dump these 3 in the mixer. So now we're just gonna wait till like all the glue literally comes out the gallons, just like that. Alright, so now I have my 2 glue balls and my clear glue gallons all in here. I also like to go in with a little bit of regular school glue. I mean, I use Amazon, but you could also use a regular Elmer school glue. So with the Amazon glue, I don't put much. I maybe put like 1/4 of the gallon. And the next step after this, I like to go in some baby oil. So I add about like 5-10 seconds. Some lotion. 30 pumps of this, 30 to 40. But if you're making like a small little batch, I would probably go in with like 2-3 pumps. Before I add any like paint or any of that, I just let it mix. The next step is pretty much all up to you, like what color do you want to make the slime, if you want to make it pink, blue. In my case, I'm making pink cereal milk, so I'm gonna go in with my this pink acrylic paint, like that much. Then I'm gonna let it mix. I'm gonna go ahead and add the scent, about that much. So I mix 2 different scents to make my pink cereal milk. And then once that's pretty mixed together, I go in with some activator. I use a Coke bottle to make my activator. A 2-liter Coke bottle to make my activator. Because, I mean, I always make a lot of slime, so I need a lot of activator. When I make slime, it takes me about 30 minutes to make a batch. So I think it's ready. Yep. You can see like it's a little bit matte. That's because like it has all these air bubbles trapped in it at the moment. But we're gonna transfer this to a container and we'll be right back. So what I like to do, I like to put my slime in a wide container. That way it has the most space so it could spread out and all the air bubbles could rise up faster. You have to let it sit for at least like two days minimum. That way so all the air bubbles could rise and the slime could be super thick and glossy. So as you can tell, there's a lot of bubbles on top. That means that all the air bubbles have risen from the slime. It's been sitting for some days already. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, she thick. Look at that gloss. So good, so creamy. I'm also going to show you a different method using only Elmer's. I'm going to use 2 gloss and 1 clear with baby oil. I'm also gonna show you guys how I make Oreo milk. Oreo milk, I do make it a little bit thicker because I don't add the school glue. And mix. By the way, I'm making a slime in Karina's new film room with her new mixer that she got from Google. Now I'm gonna go in with some chunky glitter and some fine glitter. Yo, this slime is too thick. It's alright, we can fix this. We're gonna add more clear glue to fix this. There we go. Oh yeah, Oreo milk is ready. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 days for it to like fully clear up. Whoa. So it's been like 3 days since I made this batch of Oreo milk. You could tell that a lot of air bubbles have risen. Wow. Okay. Look at that gloves. And it's hella, look at this. Wow, so thick and super glossy. So that was it, guys. These were my 2 favorite thick and glossy recipes. Let me know what other videos you want to see down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
You didn't say bye.
Bye.